Hey guys, look here. Selfie. Okay, seriously, does your boyfriend actually exist or is he just an AI? Or Tucano? Hello? Anybody there?
It's private. I respect his boundaries.
So private, we never even heard his voice or seen him. Is he a vampire?
Babe, did you hear that?
Alright, sorry, man. I'll call you later.
We can talk later. He hung up.
Oh, what's up, E?
Yo, what's up, Chip?
How are you guys going now?
Shh, man, I'm trying to keep on the low. Nobody really knows yet, so I don't really want to tell anybody.
Really? What's her name?
Her name is Ganu.
Oh, no. Okay, okay. What do you really like about her?
Oh, just the basic stuff, like, she's really pretty, she's kind, thoughtful, and she really cooks me food. So, like, all that stuff.
Wow, that's good. That's good. I'm happy for you.
Yep.
So your boyfriend, what do you like about him?
He is very nice. He just makes me feel so happy.
Girl, please, you're just in your honeymoon phase.
Honeymoon is, what is that?
It's when the love chemicals in your vein that makes you fall in love. They say it lasts until 3 to 6 to 9 months.
Wow, falling in love for 9 months, that long?
Gano, you're weird. In the meantime, consider asking yourself these questions if you really like him. Here, read it.
Where did you get this?
Here, I got you the figures in terms of relationship. Now you should probably read it.
7 principles for smart relationships. Man, I don't need this.
Trust me, you're gonna move.
Seek a good match. Don't change yourself just to keep someone's love or friendship. Expect respect, have standards. What is this, bro?
Well, what do you mean by it?
It's a lot of information.
I know, but it's probably best that you keep it to yourself.
Alright.
Might come in handy. Well, now that I think about it, I'm kind of hungry. You wanna grab lunch?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Is your relationship conditional or unconditional? Does it feel like your partner is controlling or are they equal and supportive? Is your relationship mostly about sex, status, or material stuff? Or does it feel like it is on many levels?
Duh, from Relation Class 101. We just started, and I'm already on track of getting a PhD in emotional damage.
Listen to Yi. He's a troll.
Hey!
Look, if things don't work out, we're here to help you. No emotional damage, too big to fix.
Oh, thanks guys. Y'all are always looking out for me.
What the heck?
Looks like someone else got emotional damage.
What the heck? Look what you done to my clothes. You're gonna pay for it. Sorry, I didn't see you. I don't care. You ruined my clothes. This is my favorite outfit. I said I'm sorry. Fine. Saying sorry isn't good enough. Yeah, loser. Please, I don't want to fight. You're not even worth it. You're just a nobody.
What's going on here? You and you, to office, now!
But I didn't even do anything.
Office, now!
Chill, I missed you so much. Is something wrong?
No, everything's okay. I should not talk about that.
Oh my god, so you should listen to the loser.
Okay, I don't like being called over to myself.
But he is one. He literally spilled all his food all over.
That's my cousin you're talking about.
I didn't know that. I thought he was just a loser.
Look, there you go again, calling him a loser. I thought bringing you here would work things out and that we could talk things, but this isn't going anywhere.
But I really didn't know he was your cousin.
It didn't matter if he was my cousin or not, my son. It's over. It's done.
Kid, don't you believe I can change?
No, Marcy. I'm done. I'm sorry.
Breakups.
Jake is telling me to lift it up high. I'm over here trying to lift it up. Just in case. Okay. Breakup scene. Oh my god. Yo, why are you messing up with the intro?
Wait. Sorry, I forgot. Okay.
Cut. Go back.
I don't want to fight.
No, Marcy, I'm done. I'm sorry.
That was good. That's it?
We gotta go. Like, relax. We gotta relax.
Oh, yo!
And now we're going on double dates too now. You know what I'm saying?
I see